Success means different things to different people, but one thing is clear: achieving success requires hard work, determination, and a clear plan. Whether you want to excel in your career, start your own business, or achieve a personal goal, there are certain steps you can take to increase your chances of success. In this essay, we will explore some of the most effective tips and strategies for becoming successful. Set clear goals. The first step to becoming successful is to set clear and specific goals. Goals provide direction and help you stay focused on what you want to achieve. When setting your goals, make sure they are realistic and achievable. Break them down into smaller steps and create a timeline for achieving them. This will help you stay motivated and on track. Develop a growth mindset. Having a growth mindset is essential for success. This means believing that your abilities and skills can be developed through hard work and dedication. It also means embracing challenges and seeing failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. With a growth mindset, you will be more willing to take risks and push yourself out of your comfort zone, which are essential for achieving success. Learn from successful people. One of the best ways to learn how to become successful is to study the habits and strategies of successful people. Read books, watch interviews, and attend conferences to learn from people who have achieved what you want to achieve. You can also reach out to successful people and ask for their advice and guidance. Learning from others can help you avoid mistakes and accelerate your progress. Take consistent action. Success requires consistent action. This means making a habit of doing the things that will move you closer to your goals every day. Whether it's studying, networking, or taking action on a project, make sure you are consistently moving forward. This will help you build momentum and make progress towards your goals. Stay focused and motivated. Success requires focus and motivation. It's important to stay focused on your goals and avoid distractions. This means setting priorities, managing your time effectively, and staying organized. It's also important to stay motivated. Celebrate your successes and stay positive and optimistic even when things get tough. Build a strong network. Success is rarely achieved alone. It's important to build a strong network of mentors, advisors, and peers who can offer guidance and support. This means networking, attending events, and joining groups related to your industry or interests. A strong network can provide opportunities, connections, and insights that can help you achieve your goals. Embrace failure. Finally, it's important to remember that failure is a natural part of the journey to success. Embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Use failures as a chance to reassess your goals and strategies and make adjustments as necessary. Remember, success is not final, and failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. In conclusion, becoming successful requires hard work, determination, and a clear plan. By setting clear goals, developing a growth mindset, learning from successful people, taking consistent action, staying focused and motivated, building a strong network, and embracing failure, you can increase your chances of achieving success in any area of your life. Remember, success is not a destination but a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals.